Check this out.
Hi everyone, I'm Jorelyn, the team leader of our Arduino project, and I'm excited to introduce the team that made this possible. First, we have Christian, our programmer. He focused on writing the Arduino code to make sure all the parts and functions work properly. Next is Rizel, our analyst, who helped us understand what the project needed and guided us with the right planning and data. Then there's is Yesha and me were the designers of the group. We worked together to build the actual setup, connecting the components, arranging the parts, and making sure everything was working as planned.
Arduino project number 6, the alarm. This project creates a simple alarm system using a buzzer or speaker. It can be triggered by a button, sensor, or specific condition. The purpose is to learn how Arduino can produce warning sounds.
So let's discuss and enumerate the list of materials to be used in our Arduino project number 6. First is the Arduino board, the brain of the project that controls the buzzer. Prototyping shield, make it easy to connect parts without soldering. Male-to-male jumper wires to connect the buzzer to the board. And the last one, buzzer, makes the sound for our project. And that's all we need in our project number 6, so let's go to the exciting part.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to our tutorial series. Today, we're going to build a simple Arduino alarm system step by step. On the left side, you'll see all the materials we need. And on the right side, we have our Arduino kit ready. The first thing we need to do is gather all the parts. First is Arduino board, breadboard, buzzer, and jumper wires, male to male, only 2 pieces. Now, let's start assembling. Place the Arduino board securely on top of the Arduino kit. Do the same with the breadboard and buzzer. Before anything else, take 2 jumper wires, male to male, and set them aside. Next, take the buzzer and attach it to the breadboard. Using the first jumper wire, connect one pin of the buzzer on the breadboard to pin 8 on the Arduino. Using the second jumper wire, connect the other pin of the buzzer to the ground pin of the Arduino. And that's it for the hardware setup. Now, our Arduino alarm is ready for coding. Yay!
So this is the code for AP number 6. A constant integer called buzzer is created with a value of 8. This means the buzzer is connected to digital pin 8 of the Arduino. The setup function runs once when the Arduino is powered on. Pin buzzer output tells the Arduino that pin 8 will send signal out. Since a buzzer makes sounds when it receives a signal, we set it as output. The loop function runs repeatedly forever. A for loop is used here to repeat a task 4 times. The variable I starts at 0, increases by 1 each time, and stops when it reaches 4. The tone function makes the buzzer produce a sound. Here, it's set to 1000 Hz, which is beep sound human can hear clearly. Delay 250, the buzzer stays on for 250 milliseconds, a quarter of a second. The no tone function turns the buzzer off, meaning it will no sound. Delay 250, after stopping, the Arduino waits another 250 milliseconds before starting the next beep. Since this is inside the loop, it repeats the process 4 times in total. Delay 1000, Once all 4 beeps are done, the program waits 1 seconds. After that, the loop function starts again, and the buzzer repeats the same pattern forever. This program makes the buzzer beep 4 times, each beep lasting 0.25 seconds, followed by 0.25 seconds of silence. After the 4 beep, it waits 1 second, then repeat endlessly.